We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and pattern. Okay, guys, we are marking up USD IDR. Just find a time frame so we can do some finding structure. Okay, I'm not going to go as low as the 4. 4 look like a bunch of scribble scrabble. Stop at the, stay on the daily. Let's go all the way back to the beginning. Let's see what the beginning looking like. A whole bunch of uptrends. All right, let's work in this area here. Okay, so let's identify what's going on in the market. Real simple, we have areas of highs here. We have areas of lows at the bottom. And we have that midpoint in the middle. All right, so let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Zoom into this area here. So these are long. There's a lot of consolidation in this time frame. So there's a lot of long areas of extension when it comes to market consolidating and ranging. Okay, so let's find an area to work with. So working with this section here, we can see that market tried to reach this area that's high that we created over in this midpoint. We got a pattern here. What pattern is that? Market pushed up to a high, market pushed up once, came back down, market pushed up twice, came back down. That's a pattern. That's the double top. Okay, so we got a double top here, so we know we see double tops. Markets are probably going to drop down. That's exactly what it did. We got the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Market came back to retest this area here, and market pushed down once, came back up, market pushed down twice, came back up, market pushed down 3 times, came back up 4. A lot going on in here. This is a whole bunch of consolidation. But we can see how the market came back down, pushed up to the next level, came back down, pushed up to the next level. So you can see that W formation is just break, retest, break, retest. Market came back to a high. So let's see what's going on in this area here. So we got a spike up to the top. Market lost momentum with that spike and then tried it again. Wasn't able to break. And then we got this white candle for a retest. So that'll be the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Market pushed down, came back to retest. Market consolidated a bunch of times after that retest. And then the market fell down how many times? Once, came back to retest twice, came back to retest 3 times, came back to retest 4. So you already know in that market, once we get about 4 extensions, that market is consolidating in there. So there's actually another candle there's another structure that forms. So we got a double bottom here. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, retest. Market pushed up twice, retest. Market pushed up 3 times, retest. This is the last exhaustion time. Last time, market pushed up 4 and then drop back down. So this is overall cap. So market pushed up 4 times. That market's coming back down. So what the market did here, all we got is a single top and some type of retest here. So market pushed down. This market did not retest the previous area. This market just consolidated, I should say. So we have a single top, market pushed down once, market pushed down twice, market pushed down 3 times, and market pushed back up. So we came from a single top, market pushed down 3 times. We have a major area of support, so this is average. And then we can see that W forming in this area here. So we have that first, second, third, fourth retest. The red candle, market pushed up once, retest at the red, 2, retest, market pushed down for the 3rd time, came back for the 4th retest. and then that's the market exhausted itself. So you know that market's going to come back down. So what the market did, basically just consolidated. So another consolidation. So you gotta probably read these in wholes because this is just a whole bunch of consolidation. So let me help you break down the charts. If we keep doing our structure, we'll just be in here all day. So you just gotta level this off. I'm gonna use my horizontal ray. So we can set a market broken retest. Grab this area here and let's keep on going up these areas of levels. So we can see that the market did what? Started from the bottom, so you can still see that W that formed here at the low. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. Market pushed up once. Market pushed up twice. Second level came back down into that bottom level. So that was some type of double top in a retest. So market could have dropped after this area, this retest, but it didn't. It consolidated, and then market broke up to the next level, consolidated. Market broke up to the next level, consolidated. So a lot of consolidation, a lot of market range and a lot of extension. And we have another level here. So after the market consolidated this level here, broke up to the next level, consolidated. And you can see that incline of work as market's working its way up. And inside these patterns, you can see W's though. Like look, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, came back to retest, market pushed up a fourth time, going back up. So you can still see the patterns in there. You just got to know how to identify the patterns. This is why we're here. So let's see what's going on here. So market did, so this is a retest in this area here. So market broke, came back to retest, then come all the way back down to the SR line, which is fine. We just got a consolidation of a retest here, then market pushed up. And then when the market pushed up from that high, let's see what's formed in that area. So market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down. Market pushed up three times, came back down. So you got a triple top here. 1, 2, 3. And we got this engulfing pattern showing that the market's red candle engulfed the previous white one, showing that the market's going to drop. And that's exactly what happened. We got that triple top. Market dropped down, came back to retest previous areas of highs, and then market dropped back down to lower levels again. 1, 2, and it just consolidated as well. So, like I said, once the market started pushing by past three pushes, it exhausts itself to 4, and now we can still see patterns. So let's walk through this time frame and just find patterns. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest, market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, and you can see it went to another level of consolidation. Okay, market broke this level, retest that area, broke up, went into the next area, wasn't able to hold. Market came back to that midpoint, in between there, consolidated again. But while the market consolidated, you can see that incline. The market's working the way up with these candles. Okay, we got a few long wicks. So this market could have been trying to break back down. So what was maybe trying to form here is some type of double top in this area here that was trying to push that market back down, but it didn't happen. Market was still able to come back to that midpoint and create that momentum for that incline. So it did another break, retest, consolidated, and so on. So a lot of break and retest, a lot of consolidation with USD IDR. Okay, guys, make sure please study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Very important information. Also, please study the breakdown retest, what happens when the market breaks the area of resistance. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. USD IDR.